Hello everyone, I'm Raymond Alexander Robles. As you can see, it's a broke TV. Watch this. As you can see, I drove away and it's broke on the TV. See what happened? You broke the TV. Okay, let's check it out. Let's turn on TV. Check it out. It's a broke TV. Let me check it out. Okay, as you can see, that was broke. You can see that? See? What the heck is this? As you can see, it's broke. Broke the TV. You can see. Let's watch TV with broke TV. So YouTube. I'm gonna check it. YouTube is broke. Still loading. There we go. Finally, YouTube. Okay. Now watch this. Watch goes the Banjo-Kazooie. See what happened. Broke this. Watch this. As you can see, it's not working. What? Can you? Oh. Hold on. 1 sec. Can you see that? Watch this. See? Y'all see that? See that? It's broke. Can you see that? Banjo-Kazooie. Okay, nice. Can you see that? Okay. Well, that's it. That's it for broke TV. I'm gonna buy a new one because this is only a glitch TV. You can see. As you can see, and it's broke a little bit on TV. I'm gonna buy a new one. Alright. That's it for part 1 Roku TV. I'll see you guys part 2 next one. Alright, I'm gonna buy a new TV. Bye. TV part 2 will be right back after these messages. Stay tuned.